Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to cook the perfect chicken breast. First, select boneless, skinless chicken breasts, aiming for about 1 inch thick. If they're thicker, gently pound them to an even 3/4 of an inch. This ensures consistent cooking. Next, pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving a beautiful golden brown sear. Finally, season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Now, let's get that incredible sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and hot. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your seasoned chicken breasts in the pan, making sure not to overcrowd. Sear for 5 to 7 minutes per side until you see a beautiful, deep golden brown crust form. The final cooking stage is crucial for tenderness. Reduce the heat to medium-low and continue cooking, flipping occasionally, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part to confirm doneness. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital, allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a wonderfully moist and tender result. After resting, it's time to slice and enjoy your perfectly cooked chicken breast. Always slice against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, whether it's a fresh salad, roasted vegetables, or a hearty grain. With these simple steps, you'll consistently achieve a juicy, flavorful, and perfectly cooked chicken breast, ready to elevate any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.